Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 failed to connect to the game server. Please try again later. So first of all, you need to restart your system and your network router. Chances are, a simple reboot might just do the trick. Simply power off your router and your system, and then unplug the cables from both the devices. Wait for at least 30 seconds, and then plug the cords back in. Now check if it fixes the issue. But if it doesn't, then you need to check your internet connection. And to find out if you're connected to a strong internet connection, you need to navigate to google.com on your browser and then search for speed test. Here on this page, you need to tap on Run Speed Test. If your internet speed appears to be unreasonably low, then you may need to contact your internet service provider for help. The minimum speed required is usually 25 to 30 Mbps. So if it's anywhere near or above this number, that's fast enough. But if you still encounter this issue, then you need to keep restarting the game multiple times until you get in. It'll take at least 6 to 7 tries. Hopefully, this will fix the issue. And if it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.